Hey you guys, Alexandra here, and I hope you guys are all having a fabulous day today because I am super excited. Guess what finally arrived? That is right. You guys know the Jeffree Star Valentine's Day mystery box. I had to get my hands on one. You know, I couldn't help myself because at the end of the day, I really just get these for you guys anyways. You guys know we end up doing a giveaway at the end of this because pretty much own just about all of Jeffree Star's products, but I love doing these videos for you guys and I love doing the giveaways for you guys. So if you guys are ready, let's see what we got in our box. All right, welcome back, you guys. If you're new here, my name is Alexandra, aka the Not So Evil Stepmother, and as I said in the intro, we are going to be unboxing my Jeffree Star Valentine's Day mystery box. And guess what else I got today, you guys? I got the Manny MUA Lunar Beauty Mystery Box as well. Let me know down below if you guys would like to see a beauty box battle between Manny's box and Jeffree's box, because I feel like that could potentially be epic. Let me know your thoughts down below. Otherwise, we'll do Manny's box tomorrow. You guys, I'm so excited. My little boy is going to be 3 years old tomorrow, which in your all's time, when you see this tomorrow, it will be today. So wish Liam a happy birthday. And also it's going to be his first day of preschool, you guys. I'm like, ugh. Okay, so let's get into this box. I'm like so happy and excited and just so many things. I hope you guys are all having a really good day. And if not, think happy thoughts. It'll get better. I promise. I promise you it will. Okay, are you guys ready? It's okay, so it says Jeffree Star Skin is coming February 25th, 2022. So keep an eye out for that. Dude, this paper is pretty. I love his paper and his artwork and all the stuff he does. Is this what I think it is? Is this what I hope it is? Please say it is. Please say it is. Is this a bag? Oh, you better not be fooling me, Jeffree. You better not be fooling me. Please, please. Is there a strap? There's a strap! There's a strap! Oh my god, you guys. Oh, I'm about to drop it. You guys know, I just like spit on myself. So we got the bat bag last time. I had to make a strap for that bag because it was so epic. This is so cute. I am using this. Like, I mean, hello, look at me. I am using this tomorrow. I'm not even joking when I take Liam to school. This is cute. All right, I'm gonna hook this up when we take a break, but this is so freaking cute, you guys. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. I don't think Manny's box is gonna beat this. I'm sorry, I just don't. Okay, so what do we got here? We got a Supreme Frost in Frozen Peach, which is a super wearable color. So more than likely this will probably go in a giveaway because I do have quite a few Supreme Frost. So I will show you guys some close-ups of it. And let's move on to the next one. Oh no, he did it again, you guys. Okay, so we have four, count them, 1, 2, 3, 4 folks, of the single shades. So we have Heavy Weighted, which is a bluish green shade. I can't remember what palette that's in. I will put it on the screen for you guys. Then we have the Morgue, which I'm pretty sure is from the Cremated palette. We have Tax Free. That is from the green palette. And then I think actually Heavy Weighted might be from the green palette as well. And then Bite Me. So I actually have a bunch of these over there. So I will grab them when we take a break and add them all to this giveaway. All right, next up we have the Magic Star powder. He has never, I don't think, put any of the powders in his mystery boxes. So I actually already have this powder, so I will be putting this in a giveaway for you guys. It's an okay powder. It's not my favorite. I'm not going to lie. It's, you know, it's good. It's good. You can use it for dry skin. You can use it for oily. I definitely think more combo and oily would benefit from it, but it's not a bad powder and you can use it for dry skin, but make sure you use it with a brush, lightly dust it and buff. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is not something that I would bake with if you have dry skin by any means. You know what I'm saying? All right. The Mini Breaker palette. Oh my gosh, you guys. Do you know how many times I've actually had this palette in my possession and given it away in a giveaway with you guys? And This is probably going to be another one of those times. I do want to eventually maybe keep it in my collection because it is a really pretty palette. And I have the large Jawbreaker, but there's some repeat shades in here. And as I said, I do have the larger one. So I will more than likely probably put this in a giveaway, but I love his palette so much. And this is probably one of the few that I don't own. Okay, next up we have, it looks like one of his liquid lipsticks. And I think this is one of the exclusive items, if I'm not mistaken. Yes. Ooh, that is pretty. Oh my God, that is so pretty. Tell me how gorgeous that packaging is. So this is called Pink Kitten. Yeah, I don't think I've ever seen this shade before, and it is absolutely gorgeous. It's a really like pinky red, and it looks like it has like some little, yeah, it's got sparkles and pearl reflex. That's gonna be pretty. So I'm probably gonna be keeping that. Sorry, you guys. All right, next up we have, what is this? In Posh Spice. I think this is one of his lip pencils, if I'm not mistaken. Ooh, this is in a really pretty wearable color. So I'm also going to put this in the giveaway. I know you guys are probably thinking, like, what are you keeping? Maybe nothing. Who knows? I don't know. All right, let's see. Next up, we have the Orgy Palette. I am definitely going to be adding this to the giveaway because I do already own this. So maybe I'll keep the mini Jawbreaker and just do the Orgy Palette. I'm sure you guys would probably rather have the Orgy anyways. You guys. Money, honey. This is one of the few I don't have. Ooh, I'm excited. So I'm going to keep this. I'm probably going to keep the Jawbreaker palette and the purse, and I'm going to give the rest of this away. But I also have some extra things that I'm going to throw in this giveaway. So let me go grab those things real quick, and then we will get to the giveaway and all the details. Hang tight. Alright guys, I got the crossbody all hooked up, and it is super cute and I absolutely love it. I do want to point out one thing though. So there is several different holes here, so you can make the length of the strap shorter or longer. But when I tried to put it on this third hole, it caused the strap to come down past the end of the bag. So the only thing I could think to do is like maybe to flip it up like that, but then it's gonna look like that on the bag. So that's completely up to you guys. But for right now, I like it where it's at. And again, it's just something that I wanted to point out to you guys, but I love it. I absolutely love it. And I'm gonna hang it up tonight to stretch the little strap out there so it doesn't have all the little kinks and creases in it. All right, let's talk about this giveaway and what I'm keeping. So first off, I'm obviously keeping the bag, and then I will be keeping the Velour liquid lip in Pink Kitten. Also, I will be keeping the mini Jawbreaker, and then the Money Honey lipstick kit. And then for the giveaway, we're going to be doing the Orgy palette, and then the Magic Star setting powder in lavender, which this would actually be super good for brightening your under eye area. I love lavender powders for that. So just FYI, whoever wins this. Also, the Supreme Frost highlighter in Frozen Peach. Super pretty, super wearable color. Whoever gets this, you will really enjoy it. And I think that even if you have a darker skin tone, you could probably get by wearing this. So just an FYI. All right, next up, I'm going to throw this in there, which is something I've been meaning to throw in a giveaway. So this is the Jeffree Star Velour Lip Scrub in Pink Grapefruit. Then we are also throwing in the Velour Lip Liner in, what was that? Posh Spice, super wearable nude brown or neutral brown undertone. Very, very pretty. And then, are you guys ready for this? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12 single shadows. I will show you guys a clip of them right now. We have the Morgue, Undertaker, Tax Free, Heavy Weighted, Bite Me, Jawbreaker, Brain Freeze, Wow, Lemon Drop, Extraction, Wealthy, and Intravenous. So somebody could definitely create an extremely colorful, very wearable look with these. And then the Orgy Palette. So what do you got to do to enter this giveaway? Of course, you guys know these giveaways. I do these for you. I mean, really, I get these boxes for you guys. I mean, honestly, as I said in the beginning, I own most of Jeffree Star's products, but I know there's a lot of people out there that are going through a really rough time. I mean, we definitely have our ups and downs here too. And honestly, if it wasn't for you all, I wouldn't even be getting these boxes, and I wouldn't have been able to get my very first one to amass the amount of Jeffree Star stuff that I do have. So I feel like the least I can do is pay it forward. So that's what we've been doing ever since my very first Jeffree Star box. So to be entered, you do have to be subscribed. You do have to like this video. I do check. I'm just letting you guys know. Keeping it real, as always. And then I want you to comment down below, what is your favorite, all-time favorite Jeffree Star palette? And if you don't own a Jeffree Star palette, which one would you love to get your hands on? Let me know down below in the comment section. And then we'll run this giveaway from now to, let's say, February 28th. So I will draw the winner on March 1st. So if it ends February 28th, that means it ends at midnight, 12 p.m. or 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I always draw the winner completely randomly. You guys know that have been here for a while. And then I contact the winner first after the winner, you know, gets in touch and says yes. And I always like to do it that way. That way I don't have like people trying to fake and lie to say that they won when they really didn't, because I've had that happen quite a few times now. But after that happens is when I normally announce it in the community tab. And then also I do like to do what I call my winner's circle. So whoever wins, please send me a picture of, you know, you with your winnings. I have quite a few winners, like quite a many winners in the past. I have a very huge winner circle. I do also like and enjoy being tagged on Instagram. So if you do have an Instagram account, please tag me on Instagram, because I love seeing your guys' goodies, and I love seeing the smiles and all of that. And the last couple of giveaway winners that won, I didn't get any pictures and I didn't get any tags. So just if you guys could, I would really appreciate it, because that also lets everybody else know that these are legitimate and there are legitimate random winners picked every single time. And I always make sure that there is a new winner picked each time. So if that sounds good to you guys, then that's what you got to do to enter to win. I really do hope you guys love these as much as I do, and love watching them as much as I do unboxing them, because this is a ton of fun. I am very, very excited to see what Jeffree Star skin is going to be like. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I am really excited for tomorrow, because literally I'm going to clear this desk and then we're unboxing this, and you guys already know that there's probably going to be a giveaway. Stay tuned tomorrow. Till next time. See ya. Bye, you guys.